Now let's see this question. A dishonest shopkeeper uses 85 centimeter scale instead of meter scale and claims to sell at the cost price. Then what is his percentage profit? Now what he is trying to say is a shopkeeper is dishonest and he is trying to sell, let us say, 1 meter of a cloth which is nothing but 100 centimeters. Okay, and he is using a wrong meter, so which means even though his meter is showing 100 centimeters, what it is, actual length is 85 centimeters, right? Which means, see this, 85 centimeters. So he is selling only this amount of the cloth, saying that he is selling this much amount, right? Therefore what he is actually selling is 85 and what he is getting paid is for 100 centimeters. Now he is also claiming, he is actually making two claims here. One thing is, by selling 85 centimeters he is saying that he is selling 100 centimeters, and the second thing is he is saying that he is not making any profit. He is saying that he is selling at the cost price, which means he is saying that I am giving you 100 centimeters and also I am giving you 100 centimeters for my cost price only, which means he is saying that he is not making any profit, but still he will make some profit. How? Because he is selling less quantity, saying that he is selling more quantity, right? So how to analyze this one is, from his side what will be the cost price? Cost price is nothing but what is the actual cost of the goods he is selling, isn't it? Now he is actually selling 85 centimeters, therefore from his side the cost price is cost price of 85 centimeters, right? Now what is the selling price? Selling price is what the customer pays him, isn't it? Now how much will the customer pay him? He will be paying him a cost price of 100 centimeters, isn't it? Why cost price? Because he is saying that he is he is selling at cost price, therefore for him the selling price is equal to cost price of 100 centimeters. Got it? Now we are supposed to find out the profit. So percentage profit is equal to selling price. So is he making a profit? Clearly he is making a profit, right? If you even see these numbers, so selling price is greater than cost price, he is definitely making a profit. Selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100, right? Now what is it? Selling price is cost price of 100 centimeters minus cost price is cost price of 85 centimeters divided by cost price of 85 centimeters into 100, right? So what is it? It is cost price of, if you see this, 100 minus 85, it is 15 centimeters, right? Cost price of 15 centimeters divided by cost price of 85 centimeters into 100, right? Now what is it? Cost price of 15 by cost price of 85, it will be 15 by 85. Why? Because if you assume that 1 centimeter cost is x units, then the cost price of first one is, numerator is 15x, then cost price of the denominator value is 85x, 15x divided by 85x, therefore 15 by 18, isn't it? See, this will be in the ratio of 15:18, that is what I meant to say. So it is going to be 15 by 85 into 100, right? So rather than focusing on the answer, I would like to tell you the concept here. So whenever they say that, see, in this case the total amount he is saying he is selling is, let us say, x, right? The x is the size of the meter, but then he is using a error e, and now he is getting some profit. How to express this in general terms is, if x is the meter size and he is giving us the error of e, then how much profit is he getting? So just express in this question, what is x? 100, isn't it? What is error here? 15. Error means how much less he is selling, claiming that how much he is selling, right? So that is the error, 100 and x. Now you just see that the profit is, percentage profit is equal to, you can observe that E is nothing but the error divided by x minus e into 100. Check this, e is the error divided by 100 minus e into 100. Or if you want to understand it in another way, you can assume that the shopkeeper is using a meter of X, right? But then he is actually selling only X minus E, right? Now assume that each unit cost is, let's say, Y. Then what will be his cost price? His cost price will be equal to cost price of this, right? So X minus E is his cost price. Now what is his selling price? He is selling this one, so XY is his selling price. Therefore what is his profit? E into Y. This is the profit. Therefore E into Y divided by what is his cost price? X minus E into Y into 100. So this is the profit. Got it? So anyway, either you can understand like this or you can remember this. Anyway, this is the derivation. Okay.